'23 Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body. Got the 6.2 supercharged engine in it. It's a pretty sweet ride. 707 horsepower from the factory. These are going to be pretty extinct pretty soon, so get them while you can, guys. Dodge is running the last call right now, so highly recommend. Arrigo Dodge and University Dodge. Shout out to those two dealers. And if you get a sale from this, you know, I like my commission and cash money, guys. So we're slapping G-packs on this one today. We're doing a custom cat back. We're running G-packs in the middle, 5-inch tips out the back, and then 3-inch from the valves back. So we can open this thing up. Customer wants this thing aggressive. He wants this thing to sound sick. Gio's going half over there. I don't know if you guys can hear him in the mic, but that's what he does. He fabricates and goes really well. Yeah, like I said, running G-packs. This thing's gonna be a pretty sweet setup. Customers are gonna be happy as hell. We got an air intake on the way. AFE Momentum GT Stage 2 air intake for this thing. And like I said, we're slapping these in the midsection and placing them for the mid mufflers, and then deleting the rears, running the 3-inch in the back with the 5-inch tips, guys.
That Hellcat that just took off, perfect budget build for basically anyone. Rear muffler delete in the middle, we remove those mufflers, replace them with G-Packs by Gexhaust. Another day at the shop, we gotta put up this clunker right here. I don't know, it's probably missing a catalytic converter, but guys, like, comment, subscribe. We're also dropping new merch, and follow us on Instagram at Gexhaust.